Welcome to the Veritas Operations Manager introductory video about viewing the SFHA licenses deployed in the data center. Using the Management Server console, you can view the real-time status of the Storage Foundation and High Availability product licenses deployed in your data center. You can see license information only for those hosts on which you have at least the guest role assigned in the server perspective. Click SFHA Licensing to view the Overview tab. This tab provides high-level information of the overall deployment state in terms of the number of hosts that have Storage Foundation, Cluster Server, Application HA, and Dynamic Multipathing products. The Host Deployment Summary table lists the number of hosts and the virtual hosts having SFHA licenses. It also lists the number of hosts having improper licenses, such as licenses that have overlapping features. In the License Deployment Summary table, you can view the total number of licenses deployed, the number of chargeable and non-chargeable licenses. The number of expired licenses and the number of licenses on which the policies have been violated is also displayed. The Product Deployment Summary graph displays the products installed in your data center. This is an interactive graph. You can rest the mouse pointer on a bar graph to view the version and the number of deployments of the product. In the Deployment Details tab, you can view the detailed information about the deployed licenses. You can view details such as the hosts on which the product is installed, the platform, product edition, and the version. You can also view the total SPVU for a particular product. The current view is grouped by product. You can also group them by host. In the Properties pane, you can view additional information such as the license key number, type of the license, the serial number, the expiry date, and so on. In this view, the hosts having non-chargeable licenses are hidden. You can filter the view on various parameters such as expired licenses, hosts on virtual machines, and hosts having improper licenses. Additionally, Veritas Operations Manager lets you track the deployed licenses. You can create a policy to keep track of the licenses deployed. Let us create a policy for Storage Foundation. Enter a name and select the platform, such as Linux. You can choose between SPVU and processor tier type. Select a product, edition, and version for which you want to track the deployments. Define a risk and fault threshold value to receive an alert notification. In the Reports view, you can generate reports such as the deployment by processor tier, server tier, or SPVU. You can also view the Per Host True Up report. This report displays the total SPVU required on each host. This concludes the Veritas Operations Manager introductory video about viewing the SFHA licenses deployed in the data center.